Alright folks, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on what I've been doing. As you can see, these milk crates, I measured it perfect. These fit amazingly. I mean, almost no room on each side. Plus I have my tie down. Remember I told you I put those in there to tie something down to? I put this to tie down to it because this in here is going to be where my water tank is housed, right? So my water tank is just a simple 3-gallon, nothing special. But it fits in here kind of loosely, yeah. I mean, it's not one of the 5-gallon ones that fits perfect, but it fits in here perfectly, 3-gallon. And I do have a nozzle, and the nozzle will go on it whenever I'm camping, and I'll have access to, water no problem. So I think that'll be pretty cool, and it'll keep it secure. You could tuck stuff down into the corners of this as well. So I think that's pretty neat. Like I said, I got just a simple off of eBay. Like $6, boom, done. USB rechargeable. I'll keep that in my car, disconnect it when I'm not camping. When I am camping, I'm sorry, I'll disconnect it when I'm not camping. When I am camping, I'll pull this top off and put it on there. So I'm going to zip tie this actually into place, and let's see how it goes.